Today's a really important day. It's the first time Ecocem ACT is being used in permanent works in the UK.
It's a market-beating low-carbon concrete, so this is ahead of the rest of the industry. We're going to do loads of testing today so we can feed information back to the industry, and it's just really important to us to push innovation like this for low-carbon solutions.
We're supplying 16 cubic metres of a product called C4050 using Ecocem ACT. This is a brand new type of material that's been very rarely used in the UK. It contains a high proportion of limestone, GGBS and a small amount of cement.
Many years of research, development and testing has gone into this. It has been proven that it lowers your carbon footprint of concrete by up to 70%. That saving ties in and aligns with Murphy's and True's sustainability goals.